Hello. Welcome back to Programming Solutions. I'm back with another tutorial of selection structure in C language. In this video we are going to learn if-else-if statement. Sometimes, we need multiple decisions and multiple choices. Like if you want to buy a mobile, you may need multiple mobiles choices to decide which one you need. Same is the case with if-else-if. If statement and if-else does to provides us the facility of multi-way decisions. So to overcome this difficulty, we use if-else-if. You can say we have modified if-else statement by adding multiple if-else before the last else part. Before start, if you have not subscribed us, be fast and subscribe us and press the bell icon to get latest updates of our channel. Let's start. So what is if-else-if statement? The if-else-if statement is also called multiple if-else statement. It is used to execute one block of statements from multiple blocks of statements. In this structure, multiple conditions and multiple block of statements are given. When any condition is true, the statement or block of statements associated with that condition is executed. All other blocks of statements are ignored. Let's move towards syntax. If, condition 1. Block 1. Else if, condition 2. Block 2. Else if, condition M. Block M. Else block N. Let's make our concept more vivid through its working. Conditions in this structure are evaluated first in the given sequence until a true condition is found. When true condition is found, block associated with that condition is executed and all other blocks are ignored. If all conditions are false, then last else portion will be executed and control shifts towards the next statement out of if-else-if block. Let's take an example. Check if number is positive, negative or 0.